Welcome back. It's time to talk business, and now we say hello and good morning, as we always do when it's time to talk business, to Mike Eppel. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. So let's get right into it. We're going to start with a big deal for one of Canada's biggest tech companies. What's going on?
Yeah, Shopify out of Ottawa announcing this partnership with TikTok for e-commerce transactions. Shopify is the software company that basically is the guts to a lot of e-commerce deals for retail. Now they're teaming up with TikTok for all of those influencers. Any of the transactional businesses that TikTok operates. Yeah, look, I look at TikTok and I see, oh, look, it's somebody skateboarding and listening to Fleetwood Mac song and drinking cranberry juice. And I go, okay, that's fine, whatever, move on. But apparently the kids today, they buy and sell things via TikTok or something of that nature. I don't want to dismiss it because it's going to be big bucks. For Shopify, and its share price is up, and it's the most valuable company in Canada right now, if you can believe that.
And
amazing.
That video, that skateboard video you were referring to, it's put Fleetwood Mac back on the Billboard charts, by the way.
I know. I was watching a 1997 concert of Fleetwood Mac back in the Lindsey Buckingham era after they broke. Anyway, I digress.
There we go. Let's talk about the Rubiks Cube. It's still popular today. It was when I was a kid as well.
Yeah. Well, 1980s, the Rubiks Cube. Before we had smartphones, that's what we stare at and go, how do I figure this out? Look at that guy. Like, just flicking the Rubik's Cube. I'd peel off the stickers and stick them back on in order.
No, that's cheating. You can't do that.
I don't care. I couldn't figure it out. I had farming to do. I had no time for these shenanigans. Anyway, yes, the 1980s. Oh, how I remember them well.
Oh, yes.
When vibrant colors were all the rage. Listen, this is a big deal for Spin Master Toys, which owns Bakugan and Gund toys and a whole bunch of other things that the kids today want to play with. And you know, the Rubiks Cube's a perfect stocking stuffer when I think about it, right?
Is it? So, that's kind of bulky, Mike.
No, well, it depends how big the stocking is, I suppose.
That's true. True enough. All right, let's move along.
$50 million, nothing to sneeze at.
No, it's not. Let's move along to one government can't stop spending and another can't figure out how to spend enough.
Yeah, the comments by the Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, yesterday to a speech to the Canadian Chamber of Commerce saying, look, they're not going to be looking at fiscal anchors at this point. So that has been a pushback from the opposition saying you got to have some sort of targets when we're talking about all the deficits that have been piled on. But Trudeau's saying, no, look, we're going to be responsible as much as possible, but a lot of people still need a lot of financial assistance. So that will continue to climb from the current $343 billion of deficit at last check. In the U.S., they've been talking for weeks about stimulus. We're a week out from an election. Yeah, that stimulus thing ain't going no place. And net result, the Dow dropped 650 yesterday. It's steady this morning, but still kind of waiting around for next Tuesday's vote.
All right, thanks, Mike. Good stuff as always. We'll check in with you tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right.